Ayala Mall, Cebu.
Hello!
Guys, ito talaga yung pinunta namin dito. Rico's Lechon. Ito yung sinadya namin dito na dyan. Kasi last year, nandito rin kami. Nagustuhan talaga namin ang Rico's Lechon. Tingnan niyo si Jan nagmamadali. Parehong gutom. Kasi karating lang namin, hindi pa kami... Actually, ang gamit namin, iniwanan lang namin doon sa hotel kasi 2 PM pa yung check-in namin. So, dumiretso kami sa Ayala Mall. May binili kaming sandal and
Nice pig.
shoes.
Nice pig. Nice pig.
Oh, nandito na kami! Yan!
This is where we met. This is where we came last time.
Are you excited?
Very. We come back. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. If you only knew, Jean, I like to play with you. Look how red I am.
Nag-sunburn na si Johnny Deere. So, nandito kami sa loob ng mall. Meron siyang bibilhin. Hindi ko alam kung ano na naman yung pinaplano niya. Kasi marami siya mga checklist na hindi niya sinasabi sa akin. He's so excited. Malungkot talaga to. Guys, wala pa kaming pahinga. Kakarating lang talaga namin kanina dito sa Cebu. Ang gamit namin nandun pa sa hotel kasi alas 2 pa kami nag-check-in pero iniwanan na namin doon. Then nag-ikot na kami sa mga mall. Binili na kaming sandal niya at saka shoes ng anak ko. Tapos diretso kami sa Rico's Lechon mamaya. There you go.
And it's here.
Yeah, that's the one.
Hello. I said I was going to be back.
Yeah.
This way.
Okay, I will call the in charge for her.
Okay. I do my rounds. I know what's going on. I like that.
You're so fast.
Place your boss, please.
You are my sunshine. My only sunshine. You make me happy. Would you like some wine? Can I bake you a cake? Or make you fancy?
You're full.
And my yellow glass or my blue glass. Hey, I'm back. How are you? So we want to buy one of these induction stoves. You can just put on the floor for the young lady to sleep. Because these are three. I don't know. There's that one over there, 2650. Which one? You choose, Jim. Ask the questions. But this is induction. Make sure they're not for the induction only. Something for everything.
Yeah. Wow, that's more expensive than mine.
Yes, I think this is what you got. This is enough for her. Honestly, that's enough. Just to do something. You don't need something big. You know, don't do big because she's gonna feel uncomfortable. No need to impress her. If she's got something that works.
Yeah, I think this one is good.
Okay.
This one is 3,900.
Kani lang siya kuya, oh, kanina lang.
Kani infrared,
Oh.
2,650.
Okay.
Oo.
But that is for pots, pans.
Ganun po ano na siya,
Aluminum,
pwede siya sa
stainless.
induction or basta lahat pwedeng gamitin.
Aluminum, stainless, pwede na siya.
Everything. That's the trick. That one is not.
Oops. Kuha na siya.
No.
Nga ready to ano na siya, to use.
No, under.
Sa pindutan. Pero kana siyang muinit ani diri lang banda.
Pero yung diri yung function
Oo, namang ko yung ano, pangkuan lang nako na ba panghatag sa akong ate.
Pero katong usa na lain na model, iyang body ato dili dito sa unit. Only yang pack.
Kuan na siya, dili ba na siya kuan sa kuryente?
Sila only wattage na 2,000 wattage.
Ha?
2,000 wattage. Transfer mo ito, gamit ako.
Dili man jud siya pang
Para yung function
adlaw.
mo, buhat ka. 200 yung kani. Dali ito sa minute, ma'am. Daw na lang. Out. Fok sa diri.
Dili siya mapindot ba sa pindutan ng lock?
Beholder na mo siya pagkuhan.
Okay. Pero kung bisag pindutan nimo ang lock, nagakop gihapon siya.
Gakop ka Japon siya, ma'am.
Okay.
Look, Manay, look.
Good afternoon. Nanay Kwan, ma'am. Robinson's card.
Wala. Ay,
689.
I have Robinson's card in my bag. Oh my
You're
God.
collecting big points. Can you claim this online? This is fitting in the luggage easy, very easy.
Do we
Thank
still
you
have,
so
Do we
much.
still have,
And this is the receipt.
thank you, Ro, for that.
Yeah, because we're throwing your underwear out.
You're so
Your shoes
bad.
out and put this in the plane. You want to tip this guy maybe a little bit? No, we don't do that here, right?
No, they're not allowed.
No, okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. You were very nice, everybody. Thank you so much. Salamat.
They're not allowed to take a tip.
Because to me, that's very inexpensive. Oh my God. So now, Gene, I'm not going to shock you because you know who I am, right? Okay. I wanted to do this when I go out, meaning with the kids, we're going to go out, but one might feel uncomfortable and be out there, whatever. So you're going to do it. If you authorize what I'm about to tell you, I'm good. Because I just want to do it. It's no big deal. I could fit it in my budget. So you're wondering, what the hell is he talking about? Sir, I told you to be back. Give me 1 minute. I want to
Oh my God, nandito na siya sa mga cellphone. What?
turn that off.
Wow, we got a new phone. hindi siya mapakali hanggat hindi nakakumpleto yung list niya. So, we got a phone for my son. Thank you.
Hey, Mark! Ay, nako! Bigger than my phone! You scored big. You scored big. He's gonna freak. He's gonna give you one big kiss, Mama. His own phone. No, it's Christmas. My own phone. It's Christmas. You did good because she's a cool mama.
There you go.
Do they take credit card here?
Yeah. Chocolate lover.
I'm so excited.
Chocolate lover.
Mine, not for you.
What about me?
Mine.
That's all yours? Grabe, pagdating talaga sa chocolate. Grabe.
Nothing for you.
My Bonji really loves chocolate. Wow, another chocolate.
Wow, sweet.
You have enough.
No, I'm gonna give some to the kids on your street.
I doubt it.
It's not for me.
I doubt it.
This is not for me.
How about this? They're jealous. Sneakers.
I have no room. That's not for me. Oh. Gene, if you can run somewhere and get
What?
bottled water, if you could run, I'll wait for you.
Oh, how many bottle? 1, 2.
Get two.
Okay.
Big ones. Just get two big
Okay.
ones.
1 and 2. Salamat. Sorry
Salamat,
po.
thank you.
Sorry.
Debit? These are gonna break, so Salamat, thank you.
Salamat. Here's the exit. What?
This way, this way. Pesos for a case.
Wow.
That's nuts. No, it's not for me. This is for me.
I know. The chocolate. Wow. Wala kaming pahinga. Dire-diretso ang labas. Dire-diretso ang gala. Goodness. So, balik na kami guys sa hotel para it's 2 o'clock already para makapag-check-in na kami. Balik namin yung mga gamit. Andyan. Hey! Hey! Nahubuan na. Tapos, after mag-check-in, kasi gutom na kami pareho. After namin mag-check-in, labas din kami para sa Rico's.
To go buy Manais. Always have a plan. Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, and pusas and dogs, always have a plan B. Always.
B, C, D,
Fine,
E, F, G.
B. Hello, hello.
Going up.